Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a Reels video from the main grid of your Instagram profile without deleting the video itself. This is useful if you want a cleaner profile layout while still keeping the reel available in the Reels tab. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then, find the reel you want to remove from the main grid. Tap to open the selected reel. Next, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the option Remove from Main Grid. The reel will immediately disappear from your main profile grid, but it will remain visible in the Reels section and won't be deleted. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with more digital tips and tricks.